Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm here with my latest unboxing. This time I'm going to be doing the Christian Louboutin Newberry Prives in the 100mm height. So I went out to the Louboutin outlet in Cabazon because it's one of my favorite places in the whole wide world. And I managed to find one of the Christian Louboutin iconic shoes for 20% off in black patent leather, so I was very excited for that because I am on a mission to get one of each icon Christian Louboutin shoe. I got these in the 100mm because that's all they had at the outlet, and at the outlet I was able to save 20%. If that means saving 20%, if saving 20% means that I have to forego 20% worth of height, I am willing to do that because as of right now, me and my husband are the only ones funding this operation, which I'm sure you guys will understand. So here is the first shoe. This is how it came. It's very pretty, the unscathed red bottom. I got these because I thought it would be kind of fun to have a platform in my collection. That's something I do not have at the moment. And I also don't have peep toes. These are my first ever peep toes as well, and I'm sure some of you guys happen to be into that or happen to be interested in these shoes. So I thought that these would make a nice little addition to my collection, and I want to show you guys how they look without all the stuff. There you go. Brand new pretty sole. I wish you guys could smell these. The leather smells really nice. I'm not sure how to describe it except it smells expensive. I'll put that down and I will show you guys the other shoe. There it is with all the tissue and this thing, not sure what it's called, but it helps the shoe hold its shape. So let's just go ahead and take this out. And here's the other shoe, and this one happens to have a sticker on it. Just a little warning saying don't wear these out and about if you might want to return them, but since I got them at the outlet, I can't return them anyway, so here's the other one, and I'm sure that you guys are itching to see me try these on, so I will get right into that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and how exponentially my channel has grown thanks to you guys, so I'm super appreciative of that, and hopefully the channel will grow more and more so that way I can give you guys more content and we can all have a bit of fun in this together. So I just want to thank you again, and I will let you guys get into the try on.